Earthquake. A rather large earthquake. Ooh. Minaret. Baghdad. Saddam Hussein. Wow. Big earthquake. As I say, a parody of an earthquake. Oh, that's not a parody of an earthquake, that's a real earthquake. Eastern Europe. Romania, I do believe. And San Francisco. That's Chechnya. That's not an earthquake. The building in front is Chechnya. That's Danube Bridge. That's NATO who blew that bridge up in former Serbia, in former Yugoslavia. Tired. I would say that. Kobe, Japan. Bad one. And this is Kobe as well. But not the cars. Not the Cadillacs. Or the Cadillac, depending on where you're from. China. Not an earthquake. Development, he's refused to move out, so they just knocked everything down around him and left him that. After Katrina, this bit. Post-Katrina. Post-Katrina Aletta. And this is where we're going underground, going underground. An archaeologist turning into a miner, literally. His legs are of a miner's and his body is the archaeologist, and suspended in mid-fall. So where's he going? Well, I'm going to show you if you behave. Ah, you see? Now we're getting somewhere. A link has been established between earthquakes and man's greed for minerals and other activities leading to breaks in the Earth's crust. Not just subsidence, actual, real, genuine earthquakes. It must be said that the relatively minor earthquakes, and that's why this title, get it? Minor earthquake? You're right. And little scenes, as you can imagine. These miners have come across a rather large emerald, and so there's another team. See these two guys in the background, they're well experienced, but there's a student, and they hate him, so they've told him to drill this emerald out because he's a student. They know how to do everything. Oh fucking hell, look at that, look, fucking cracked it. You fucking cracked it. You see, students, rubbish. I mean, it's day one, but oh no, he's a student, he should be able to do everything perfectly first time. We've been at this job 38 years, but we know nothing. We've got no qualifications, have we, Stanley? No, none. Proud of it. Anyway, etc. Oh, John. It's Squash John. Oh, who cares? We hate him anyway. He's our boss. Anyway, that's the rescuer who's looking mighty chuffed. He's taking more interest in the emerald than the poor John who's been squashed. But he hasn't noticed this rather large venomous spider, and he's just put his hand on it. So anyway, that's that little scene. He's seen it, and on it goes. Oh, look at this guy! Look at him! He looks shocked. He's stuck in a hole. What's he seen? He's seen a rather large rat who's just as shocked as he is. And what's going on in here? He's got a torch, and there's a tunnel, yeah, a mining tunnel, and it looks like there's light at the end of the tunnel, but no, it's death. It's a skull, you see. I'm in a good mood. And this chap, Indonesian miner, he's found a rather large diamond, and he's negotiating a sale with the mine owners. They don't look very happy. He's asking $25. $25? Give him $2. And so he's going, well, thing is, he's got his foot stuck. He's got his boot, look, his welly's been wedged into a cutting machine, so they're not going to pay him, they're just going to wait till he drops dead, and then they're going to nick the diamond. India, holding the roof up, oh dear. Well, tools are hard to come by, anything will do. Russia. I don't know where this one is actually. I can't remember. I'm tired. I say that. And South Africa. And then Wales. Oh yes. A Welsh miner, very rare nowadays, boyo. Now this guy, the Bolivian miner, with his cheek full of coca leaves, is jealous. Look at it's going, Jesus Christ, look at the size of that emerald. Yeah. And it just doesn't stop. Don't know what he's found, but he looks very impressed. Moving on, and well, moving down. And South Africa. And look at this, there's a thief snaffled an emerald. He's put an emerald in his shorts. He's saying, don't bend down, don't turn around, you'll soon be alright, soon be off on a break. And a bit of a roof collapse, and he's drilling found a new seam, but he's not right impressed. So where the bloody hell did they come from? Yeah, fantastic roof collapse. I'm very impressed with my own work. That's a volcano in the background, and I've just stuck rocks on top. But I really am pleased with this. Yeah, the whole roof is caving in on these guys. And I'm nearly finished. This is the corner. You see, these photos are fantastic. National Geographic. And the last little scene, this guy here, another thief. You see, look what's falling. Something's falling out of his shorts. Gold nuggets. The roof collapsed. They're shaking these gold nuggets out of his shorts, and this guy is, with one hand he's keeping the roof up, and with the other hand he's nicking them off the thief. And his last words: "We're dead rich, lads. We're dead rich."